Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your YouTube video, YouTube intro or outro in Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Adobe Express. You have to open the Google Chrome and you have to search for the Adobe Express. And after that, you have to create account on that. So now we need to click on this option, which is called YouTube video. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will take few seconds in loading. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see now, it's here. Now you have to select the template, that which template you want to use. If you want to create an intro or outro or whatever you want to make, simply first of all you have to select that which template you want to use, and after selecting that you have to click on that template. For example, I have to see, let's see, for example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this it will be inserted here in the main board. And let's see it's how is it. As you can see now it's inserted. I'm going to click on this. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see now it's here. If you want to edit all the things are provided, you have to select from here that which thing you want to edit. For example, this one or subscribe or whatever you want. As you can see, all the options are provided here. Like if you want to change the font style, color, size, or whatever you want to edit, you can do that. The controls are provided here. And after that, simply you need to click on the download, and after clicking on the download, as you can see, the video resolution is provided here. You have to click on the upgrade to download, or if you want to change, you can also do that. So as you can see, after clicking on this here, you will get the download button. We are not getting the download button here because it's a premium one. I have selected the premium one. You have to select the free one, and after that you will get the download button, and after clicking on the download, your video will be downloaded. So in this way you can create a YouTube video on Adobe Express. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.